Twinkle is really talented in some of the most amazing, activities like insulting people.
अरे अक्षय कुमार की वाइफ ट्विंकल खन्ना के बारे में ये क्या कह गए आमिर?
She's an expert in insulting people. I mean, all through my life, since I've known her, she's just constantly insulted me.
क्या आमिर ने करण और ट्विंकल के इस कमेंट पर नाराज होकर किया है पलटवार?
Apparently, she said that if Mela flopped, she would marry Akshay. So you helped.
It was a disaster. I packed my bags and I said, "This Rupa, dekho, bit is done with."
Yeah. So did you know that?
No, I had no idea, but I'm glad I contributed to that.
या फिर आमिर कर रहे थे मजाक?
No, I had no idea, but I'm glad I contributed to that.
जी हाँ, ये मजाक ही था। आमिर तो यहाँ खुद करण जौहर के साथ मिलकर ट्विंकल की फिरकी ले रहे थे।
Amir, you always known to be very honest about your opinion. Did you really think she was a good actress?
I thought she was fantastic. I thought she was fantastic.
No, I'll ask you again. Maybe you're being a little intimidated by the surroundings.
See,
did you think she was a good actress?
Shut up! Okay, how many times? No, I couldn't act. I'm very happy I quit.
Well, all of us have different abilities. and I mean that. And Twinkle is really talented in some of the most amazing, activities like insulting people. She's an expert in insulting people. I mean, all through my life, since I've known her, she's just constantly insulted me.
And Amir didn't stop here. He went on and on about his funny friend Twinkle.
It was really good working with her because I discovered that, behind this bimbet kind of exterior, there was actually this really sharp person. I really didn't think she would make it as a writer. So I was very concerned for her.
आमिर ने ये भी रिवील किया कि आखिर ट्विंकल की शादी में हुआ क्या था।
Twinkle constantly, misuses me. And she made me the videographer on her wedding with Akshay. Yeah. I was ordered to come and start shooting.
But why did she think that you had a special expertise in that department?
No, she just was giving jobs to various people. So this is the job that landed up with me.
आमिर ने जहाँ ट्विंकल पर एक के बाद एक कई कमेंट्स किए, तो उनकी गुड फ्रेंड ट्विंकल ने भी आमिर को नहीं बख्शा। ट्विंकल ने भी मीडिया को सुनानी शुरू कर दी आमिर की एम्बैरेसिंग स्टोरीज।
So what has your experience been with her? I mean, what has your experience been with her?
This is very boring. Why you just say some funny things like how I found you. You were crying behind a rock.
I can't compete with you and Karan.
No, you're crying behind a rock.
Don't even come close.
So this is what actually
You
happened.
caught him crying behind a rock.
He was sitting behind a rock. So he had gone to the director to explain this shot, and the director didn't listen to him. And this is Amir. He's very serious about his work. So he was heartbroken, and I was looking for him. Where is he? And I went, and there was this massive rock, and he was sitting behind it, and he was crying.
Poor fellow, how sad, Hamid. You were upset because Dharmesh Darshan didn't listen.
Look at what she's doing. Look at what she's doing.
खुद मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट ये बात सुनकर हैरान रह गए, but he took it in good spirit. Well, ट्विंकल खन्ना और आमिर का ये फनी साइड हमें देखने को मिला ट्विंकल की बुक मिसेस फनी बोन्स के लॉन्च इवेंट पर। जहाँ ट्विंकल ने अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली की खूब टांग खिंचाई की।
He's confessed he was in love with me. I had a little mustache at that point, and he used to look at it and say, "That's hot. I like that mustache." The very rare occasions that he does get drunk, he sings songs like "Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da." I've never heard that song ever. Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da.
Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da.
Yeah.
यहाँ तक कि ट्विंकल ने तो अपनी मम्मी डिम्पल के इस मौके पर लेट पहुँचने के लिए उन पर भी एक सरकास्टिक कमेंट कर दिया।
Hello. Back from the parlor. Thanks, mom. Back from the parlor. Thanks, mom.
वैसे मिसेस फनी बोन्स ट्विंकल को सपोर्ट करने आए थे उनके कई इंडस्ट्री फ्रेंड्स भी। जब मिसेस फनी बोन्स ट्विंकल मिस्टर कंट्रोवर्शियल करण जौहर के साथ मिल गई तो यहाँ भी चालू हो गया एक रोस्ट सेशन।
Which heroine should be cast according to you in Akshay's next movie?
Jaya Lalita.
What would you do if you woke up as the following people? If you woke up as Ranbir Kapoor?
I wouldn't speak because the cat's got my tongue. What would you do if you woke up as Mayawati?
Shave.
इंटरेस्टिंगली इस रोस्ट कम फनी सेशन में कुछ ऐसे भी मोमेंट्स आए जब ओपन माइंडेड ट्विंकल के कमेंट्स पर करण को कुछ ऐसे अपने सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर से डैमेज कंट्रोल करना पड़ा।
Before we make this like the AIB roast and Amir Khan will storm right out, I'm just going to make it about the book. What is the book about?
It's about you, Karan. There's a chapter in it says Karan Johar celebrates Karwa Chauth. There really is a chapter.
There's a part of me that really wants to do that, you know.
जी हाँ, यहाँ मस्ती मजाक में बुक की बातें कम बल्कि बॉलीवुड स्टार्स से लेकर पॉलिटिशियंस तक सबकी रोस्टिंग हुई।
Which heroine should be cast according to you in Akshay's next movie?
Jaya Lalita, and they can do the Cape Crusader.
What would you do if you woke up as the following people? If you woke up as Ranbir Kapoor?
I wouldn't speak because the cat's got my tongue.
What would you do if you woke up as Deepika Padukone?
I would do everything. It's my choice.
All right. What would you do if you woke up as Narendra Modi?
Hey, I'll get in trouble for this. I would make Akshay Kumar sports minister.
Well done. What would you do if you woke up as Rahul Gandhi?
I'd look for mummy. Okay, I want to ask you. What would you do if you woke up as Mayawati?
Shave. If you found the following people's phones, what would be the most controversial thing on it? Hrithik Roshan.
He's my neighbor. I can look out of my window. I don't have to look at his phone to see things.
Amir Khan.
Pictures of naked aliens for research purposes.
ट्विंकल ने यहाँ अपने हबी अक्षय के ये सीक्रेट्स भी सबके सामने रिवील कर दिए।
He wears checkered pajama suits like a British gentleman, and
Really?
yeah, every night.
You wear checkered pajama?
Yeah. The very rare occasions that he does get drunk, he sings songs like Mainu Visa Dila De Dubai Da. I've never heard that song ever.
My deepest condolences. My apologies on behalf of the film fraternity. We come from film families, so we must apologize that these are our products that are on display. So we must say that. And thank you, thirdly, for accepting our girl with open arms and giving her a life.
लेकिन करण ने ये मजाक करके बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी, क्योंकि अब मिसेस फनी बोन्स के टारगेट पर आ गए खुद करण जौहर।
पंगा नहीं करना, दंगा नहीं करना, कर दूंगा मैं वरना तेरी टाई टाई फिस्ट।
We were in boarding school together, and he was constantly hungry for some reason. So he kept telling me to rob food from him, from the canteen, from everywhere. Finally, I got fed up. I said, why don't you run away? I can't rob any more food for you. And we were at the edge of a hill. So I said, roll down the hill and Chikli Valley, take a boat from there, run away. He rolled down the hill. They caught him. They made him climb back. It took him 2 hours. And then they made him an example in the assembly. He was standing next to the principal as his fugitive. So...
And the principal said, will you do what this boy has done?
Yeah.
will you try and do? And I was made into some kind of a guinea pig on that stage. It was the most humiliating experience of my life. And I was all of 12 years old. And I was, by the way, Amir, in the same school you shot Tare Zameen Par. So when I saw the film, I was a mess because that same shot I have done, I've sung that Ma song in my head right through those 4 days that I was, ke tujhko pata hai na Ma, meri Ma, that how could you send me to bloody boarding school and torture your only child you have. And I want to tell you, my father was at the top of that slope, that hill that you shot in. And when finally he came, I ran up, literally like a Hindi film heroine, into his into his arms, and I said, Papa, I beg you, I'll never eat. Take me back home.
What?
Because I was so traumatized because of her. She was really, she has scarred me. I'm telling you, right through my childhood.
He wasn't traumatized. He's confessed. He was in love with me. I had a little mustache at that point, and he used to look at it and say, "That's hot. I like that mustache."
जिसे करण ने डिफेंड किया ट्विंकल को लेकर उनकी इस हार्ट ब्रेक स्टोरी का खुलासा करके.
She was the only, and I repeat, the only girl I've ever been madly in love with. So she has the rare distinction of having that prestigious part of her historic life, that she had me in love with a woman. The only time in my life was Twinkle Khanna. Of course, my heart was broken several years later when she refused my debut film, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai.
Well, Karan, we sympathize with you. Moving on. इस इवेंट के दौरान ट्विंकल ने हमें बताया how she avoids getting into trouble with her friends and acquaintances with her volatile writing.
मैं उन्हें फ़ोन करती हूँ रात को कि भाई आप कल कॉलम में आने वाले हो और ये आपके बारे में मैं लिख रही हूँ. जैसे कि नीलम मेरे कॉलम में थी तो मैंने उनको फ़ोन किया, या करण बहुत बार मेरे कॉलम्स में आते हैं तो मैं उनको बता देती हूँ पहले से कि आप आने वाले हो, तो थोड़ा सा उनको इतना झटका नहीं लगता.
Well, Twinkle, that's very smart of you.
नहीं तो मैं अपनी थोड़ी तारीफ बैठ के करूँगी यहाँ.
ट्विंकल, आप अपनी तारीफ करें ना करें, लेकिन अक्षय और आमिर तो आपसे इम्प्रेस हो ही गए ना.
If you had to describe her, because we're all from the fraternity, we had to describe her as a Hindi film title, Akshay, what would that Hindi film title be?
I would say that she is a baby. She's like a deadly mission with a very, very, very happy ending.
Yeah, Hunter Wild.
They're lucky they're here. There would be 2 other people there, more deserving, but I couldn't find anyone else. So I asked them.
Well, Twinkle, we are mighty impressed with your killer sense of humor, and we wish you all the luck for your book.